everyone and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. I never had any breakfast this morning, I just wasn't feeling hungry at all. So it's now lunchtime and I've made myself one of these TikTok wraps. I'm down with the kids, Ali? He's just giving me a weird look. So I've got one Weight Watchers white wrap, which is my healthy extra beef for today, and then I spread 2 tablespoons of the Crucials barbecue sauce on that, which is one sin. And then I've got some chicken breast pieces, some peppers, red onions, and a few jalapenos as well. So they're all speed, the chicken's free, but the veg is all speed. And then I'm also going to have a pear as well. So that's one sin for today's lunch. And oh, I'm also going to have an iron brew. And for dinner tonight, I'm having tuna pasta bake. So in the tuna pasta bake, there's peppers, onions, which are speed, and garlic, which is speed, tuna, which is free, pasta, which is free, and chopped tomatoes, which I think are speed. And then I've topped it with 70 grams of reduced fat mozzarella, which is 6 sins. And then I'm having some creamy garlic mushrooms on the side for speed as well. They've got garlic, salt and pepper, garlic fry light, and some of the latest Philadelphia with the herbs. 25 grams of that is 1 sin, so that's what I've got in there. So 7 sins in total for tonight's dinner. And then for pudding, I'm going to have the mango and passion fruit Tinkel jelly, which is half a sin, and one of my little banana muffins, which is less than 2 sins, say 2 sins. So in total for today, that brings me up to 10.5 sins. I also got on a walk today. I do have footage of that. I'll pop it in at the end if you're interested. It's not very exciting. But I got in a walk today, so that was my day 5, I think. Day 5 or day 6 of my 100 days of exercise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it was a little bit shorter than my usual videos. But I'll see you again tomorrow.